Branding is not advertising. Isha is not doing any advertising. They're doing things which people are experiencing in a certain way. Okay, communication is a small part of branding, but it is not the only part of branding. So in branding, input is science, output is art, and outcome is commerce.
Between B2B and B2C, one code I always practice in my life, remember edge to edge, okay? It's human to human. Okay? In a B2B also, you're not going and dealing with a machine there or an animal there kind of thing. It is another human being that we're connecting with, and it's a human to human connection, whether it's B2B or B2C.
So salesmen, dealers, DJs, canteen boys, teachers, and obviously sociologists, psychologists, academicians, filmmakers, editors, all of these people can tell you about your customers. So rather than say, I need to go talk to my customers, as I told you, that level will get you only observations, will get you research, will get you data, it won't get you insight. To get you insight, you have to get into a deeper understanding of why are they saying what they are saying, why are they thinking what they are thinking, and that some of these people can help you with.
Technology is never going to be the way to do things, it's going to be the way to maximize and optimize what you do. But the thinking has to be yours and has to come from what your audience asked for.
So you have to raise your game because there is clutter, and when we say something again and again, it loses its power. That's why say something new or say it in a manner that is new.
For example, one large, lever was Sadhguru's content, and Sadhguru spoke extensively about it in a manner that's very appealing, very consumable to like average Joe on the street. And anybody could understand. I mean, I'm sure everybody who watched this video for 16 minutes just understood that the soil is the basis of our life.
Anybody can use the Safe Soil logo, just as the previous campaigns, large campaigns that you saw, like Rally for Rivers and Kaveri Calling. And it was consciously made as a brand that had neither Sadhguru nor Isha in it, so that anybody and everybody can, adopt that particular mission.
That purpose is enduring and positioning is dynamic. Positioning changes with context.
No single ad makes you famous. Brands are built on the back of consistency.
Each one has its own perspective and it was guided by experts. The common theme between each of them was about that how actually at the end AI can enable to free up time, be an enterprise or an individual. So that bottom line thinking gave me a real insight that you can talk about positioning AI, but you have to ensure that you continue to focus on how it will benefit an organization to move up the value chain.
It actually opened up a lot of our vision, or rather I should say it did unlock a lot of potential that this particular sector and the brand that we're going to create had, right?
It's not about brand insight, it's about purpose of the life. There are a lot of things which you will learn from the brand insight.
Also the surreal experience of Isha, about how your creative juices flow more when you are in an environment like this. That is very much important. So I want to bring my team to that position where they are experiencing solace in their lives.
Rather than monologue, talking and listening. So when we think, we go into that zone where we are thinking and writing the brand positioning for the other companies and our companies. So it actually gives a lot of insight where we feel, oh, we never thought like this. It's a unique feature.